Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to open a Chase checking account online quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for a new banking option or just starting your financial journey, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit the Chase website. Start by navigating to the official Chase website. You can do this by entering chase.com into your browser's address bar. Step 2. Select Open an Account. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Open an Account. Click on it to begin the account setup process. Step 3. Choose Checking Account Type. You will be presented with various checking account options. Review the features and benefits of each account type and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on Open Now for your chosen account. Step 4. Provide personal information. In this step, you'll need to enter your personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Add contact information. Next, you will need to provide your email address and phone number. Ensure that you enter a valid email, as Chase will send important account information to this address. Step 6. Create your user ID and password. Set up your online banking by creating a user ID and a secure password. Make sure to choose something memorable but complex enough to keep your account safe. Step 7. Agree to terms and conditions. Carefully read through the terms and conditions provided by Chase. Once you've done so, check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. Step 8. Fund your account. You may also need to fund your new checking account. Chase typically requires an initial deposit, which you can complete with a transfer from another bank account or by entering your debit card information. Step 9. Review and submit your application. Before finalizing your application, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click on the Submit button to complete the process. Step 10. Confirmation and account access. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your new account. Follow the instructions in the email to access your account online and set up any additional features such as e-statements or mobile banking. And there you have it. Opening a Chase checking account online is quick and simple. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.